how to send USDC to Phantom Wallet on PC. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that you have the USDC token on your Phantom Wallet first to be able to send it to your wallet. Now, make sure that you have USDC on your wallet. So in my case, as you can see, I don't have the USDC on my wallet. So if you have the USDC, what you need to do is just click on it. For example, this is the USDC, and now click on receive. Now you can copy the withdrawal address. Now go back to your exchange platform, for example, the Binance, and you can send it from your account. So in my case, I don't have the USDC here. So as you can see, now I can't be able to get the withdrawal address in order to send it from my Binance account. So what you need to do here in this case, now you need to go to your Binance account on any exchange platforms like BYBIT or BITGET. So I have the example of the Binance. Now you need to convert your USDC to Solana to be able to send it to your Phantom Wallet. So how to do that? Now go back to your Binance or BITGET or BYBIT or any platform, and now go to trade, and now you can convert your USDC to Solana by clicking on convert. Now wait a few seconds, as you can see. Now here you can convert your USDC by clicking here from, and now type the USDC to be able to find it. So as you can see, this is it. Now click on it, and now from 2 you can click here and select the Solana that you want to convert your USDC to. So after that, click on it. Now here type how much you want to convert, like that. So after that, click on preview, and you can confirm the conversion. So after you convert your USDC to Solana, now you can send it to your Phantom Wallet. So what you need to do, now go to your Phantom Wallet, and you need to get to withdraw address of Solana, as you can see that you convert your USDC to. Now click on Solana, and as you can see here, click on receive. Now you can copy the withdrawal address of Solana. Now go back to your Binance and head over to wallet and click on spot. And as you can see here, click on withdraw. And now in the search bar, don't search for USDC, search for Solana that you convert your USDC to. So after you find your token, or you check your token or select your token, in the address you can provide the withdrawal address of Solana that you copied from your Phantom Wallet. In the network, select the Solana, there is only one, and now the amount, you can type how much you want to transfer. As you can see, now after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token to your Phantom Wallet. So this is how to send or transfer USDC to Phantom Wallet on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.